Some of you are wondering how your search histories are tracked with search browsers. And I'm going to show you an example inside Firefox. I've downloaded an add-on for Firefox called Lightbeam, and this is something that tracks your usage within your browser. And it shows you all of the different hidden and visible connections that you make in a single search. So I'm going to run a few searches here, and you'll see when we come back to this screen, you'll see all of the different third-party sites that have tracked your click, and that's how cookies are saved on sites, and it's how you search for something somewhere and suddenly you're on Facebook and you see ads for that very thing that you searched. So I'll open up a Google browser here and I will search, let's say, popular topic right now, Donald Trump. And when I search Donald Trump, I get the most popular links pop up first. So let's go to his Twitter account and I'll read through the Twitter account. Let's see if I can find a link in here where I can click on something and that should take us somewhere else. Let's see. We'll click on Mike Pence's tweet here and we'll be able to see where he's posted. And then from there, we can possibly find another route for someone else. Maybe we see, what this tweeter is all about. So we go here, we read through her Twitter account. Oh, I don't want to be on Twitter anymore. I'm bored and I want to see a movie. So I want to look up local movie theaters and movies that are playing. Comedies playing in my area. So from here, I've got comedy new movies in theaters on MoviePhone or Fandango. So I'll use Fandango. And I believe my location assistance is on. So from here, I can, I guess it is not on. So I'll turn it on for the time being for this demonstration. So I'm in Fandango and I don't see anything in particular that is still in the movies. Well, I think the Edge of 17, maybe Moana's still in the movies. Sing is still in the movies, but I believe I got different results earlier when I went to MoviePhone. So within MoviePhone, I'll go in here and this is going to show me comedy movies in theaters right now. Okay, so I don't know if these are in my local theaters, but I know Monster Trucks is. I know that Office Christmas Party is. A couple of these are. Alright, so now I'll back out and now I just want to find the nearest Starbucks to my location. So, nearest Starbucks to my location. And it's going to come up with this Starbucks here off Chandler Boulevard. Okay, so I've done enough searches, so let's jump back over to Lightbeam and we'll see what this has yielded for us. So this is everything that tracked me while I just conducted my searches. Okay, now some of these are going to be blocked sites. Some of them are watched sites. Anything that has a purple line contains cookies. All of the white triangles are third-party connections. So some of these you are not even aware even exist, but because you clicked on certain links, these companies have what's called tracking pixels built into the websites that you visited, and that allows marketing departments and search engine optimization engineers to track where you're going and what you're doing, and this information is built into bots, and that returns information onto your, let's say, your Facebook account, and that's why you see additional ads for, in this case, I might see ads for recent comedies or current comedies playing in theaters, or maybe something that's currently in Redbox, or it might show an ad for Fandango, or it might show an ad for MoviePhone, or it might show a posting or an ad for our first search on Donald Trump. Anyways, this type of information is out there, and if you want to learn more about it, you can download Lightbeam. If you use Chrome, there is an alternative. I believe it's called Collusion. It's not as invasive as Lightbeam, but if you want to download the latest version of Firefox and get Lightbeam, you can play around with some of this data and learn after one full day everywhere that has tracked you. And this is why in Chrome, I recommend that if you do not want to be tracked, at least through cookies and internet bots, then you go through incognito mode. And that is, I'll give you an example. If I bring this over here, okay, this is Chrome, and from here I can go into incognito mode. And what that is it brings up a separate screen and allows you to search without websites being able to track you. So it doesn't save cookies though, so you have to log into everywhere you go. I hope that all makes sense, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them in our discussion forum. Thanks.